In this lecture, let's find out how to find the number of digits in a number. Let me tell you briefly about this topic. That is, let's suppose they give 2 power 50 and asked us to find out how many number of digits exist in 2 power 50. So can we multiply like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 like 50 times? No, right? I'm so lazy, I can't do that. So the easy way for this for our lazy people is we'll apply logarithm to this number, that is log of 2 power 50, that is equals to 50 into log 2. Then we'll find out the log 2 value and multiply this with 50. Then the result something, let's suppose the result is 16.256. Then we call this digits after the decimal point as mantissa, and before the decimal point this 16 as characteristic. So guys, to get the number of digits in a number, we'll add 1 to the characteristic. That is, in this example we got 16 as a characteristic, so we'll write 16 plus 1, that is 17. So there exists 17 number of digits in 2 power 50. So this is briefly about this topic. We have two types of numbers, that is a positive number or a negative number. That is, positive number means greater than 1 and negative number means less than 1. So now let me take some values like log of 1 to the base 10, so on, like log of 10 to the base 10, then so on, like log of 100 to the base 10, then so on, like log of 1000 to the base 10. So the value of this is 0. Why? Log of 1 is 0. Then log of 10 to the base 10, base and this is same, so we write it as 1. And we can write 100 as 10 power 2, and this 2 can be brought before. So log of 100 to the base 10 is equals to 2. Similarly, 1000 can be written as 10 power 3, and this 3 can be brought here using our property. So log of 1000 to the base 10 is 3. So guys, let's take some number, that is some value in between 10 and 100. I'm taking for example log of 87 to the base 10. So since log 10 is 1 and log 100 is 2, 87's value of log should lie between 1 point something, right? Then let's take some other number in between 100 and 1000. For example, I'm taking log of 432 to the base 10. Since log 100's value is 2 and log 1000's value is 3, our number's value should lie between 2 and 3, that is 2 point something. So guys, here the number of digits in 87 is 2. The number of digits in 432 is 3. So I told you that something after decimal point is mantissa and something before decimal point is characteristic. And I told that we should add 1 to this characteristic. For 87 we got 1 point something. That is, for 2-digit number we got 1 point something, that is 1 as characteristic. And for 3-digit number we got 2 point something, that is 2 as characteristic. So we add 1 to the characteristic, that is 1 plus 1 equals 2, that is the number of digits. And here 2 plus 1, that is 3. Both are equal, right? So that's the logic behind it. So now let's consider negative numbers. Log of 0.1 to the base 10, so on, like log of 0.01 to the base 10, so on, like log of 0.001 to the base 10. So let me tell you the values of this. Let me use this rough work. That is, we can write 0.1 as 1 by 10. So log of 1 by 10 base 10, that is log of 10 to the power minus 1 to 10. I wrote this because something 1 by x is x power minus 1. So by using our property, minus 1 can come here. So that is minus of log 10 to the 10. Then log of a to the base a value is 1. So minus of 1. This value is minus 1. Similarly, we can write 0.01 as minus 2. Then similarly, log of 0.001 is minus 3. So we got negative numbers as our answers. Then let me consider some value between 0.1 and 0.01. That is log of 0.5. Since the value of log of 0.1 is minus 1 and log of 0.01 is minus 2 and 0.5 lies between 0.1 and 0.01, so we get the value as minus 1 point something. Then considering a number between these two values, log of 0.0073, we get this as minus 2 point something. So guys, so directly this minus 2 is the number of digits in the given question. Here minus 3 is the number of digits. If you observe, it is characteristic minus 1. Number of digits in the positive number is equals to characteristic plus 1. The number of digits in a negative number is characteristic minus 1. So guys, now let's move on to the next question, that is type 4, which is based on number of digits. So in the question, they gave us the values of log 2 and log 3 and asked us to find how many number of digits exist in 12 to the power 1000. Let's go ahead now. Take the number 12 power 1000. I told you we should apply logarithm to this number, log of 12 power 1000. Here we can use a formula, log of x power n is equals to n log of x. Then we get 1000 into log 12. So all of you guess what are the factors of 12. Let me do it out for you. Factors of 12 are 2 square into 3. So let's replace 12 here with this 1000 into log of 2 square into 3. Then depending on the formula, that is log of a into b is equals log of a plus log of b. We can write this as 1000 into log of 2 square plus log of 3. That is 1000 into 2 log 2 plus log of 3. Here we use this formula. Here we substituted the log 2 and log 3 values given in the question. So now let's multiply them. 2 into 0.3010 is 0.6020 plus 0.4771. That is 1000 into 1.0791. That gives us 1079.1. Then concluding it, this is the characteristic and this is mantissa. Here the number 12 is positive, so we have to add 1 to the characteristic. That is 1079 plus 1, 1080. This is the total number of digits in 12 power 1000.